The 10 best Wi-Fi light switches. If you're venturing into a dark hallway, carrying groceries, or are on vacation, one of these Wi-Fi light switches can help you by turning a bulb on when it senses you are turning on and off on a schedule to deter potential burglars. They are available for a wide range of purposes and with varying capabilities. But if any hard wiring is required, you should enlist the help of a licensed electrician. The list starts from Leviton Decora, available in several versions. The Leviton Decora, around $37, lets you adjust lights using voice control or a smartphone app. 2 of the models are made to plug into an already installed outlet, saving you the hassle of doing any wiring. Doesn't work with all bulbs. Also available with a remote, but a bit more costly than most. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is MI-Low Relay. While it isn't designed to replace a typical in-wall switch, the MI-Low Relay APPX $12 sports a powerful 2.4 GHz radio that picks up a signal well, even if there's interference nearby. It's a good way to add wireless functionality to your decor without spending much at all. Maxes out at 10 amps. Works with a wide range of devices, but poor quality wire connectors. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Sonoff Pro R2, able to provide electricity to as many as 4 devices. The Sonoff Pro R2, about $31, can make your home smarter without the hassle that can come with complicated hubs. It features inching and self-locking technology that's ideal for starting motorized appliances. Can also use the 433 MHz RF band. Wireless and radio, but somewhat difficult to install. Well, here is the 7th one. iClever BS06. With an IP44 rating that promises protection from dust and moisture. The iClever BS06, about $26, is built to operate in conditions that aren't suitable for a traditional switch. It's safe in extreme temperatures, so you can leave it outside all year without fear of damage. Ideal for landscape installations. Built-in countdown function, but not compatible with Apple's HomeKit. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Philips Hue, developed for the company's popular line of lighting solutions. The Philips Hue APPX, $35, offers in-depth control over colors and brightness. It only works with products from the same company, but it does come with one bulb to get you started. Straightforward setup process. Stores multiple preset schedules, but works best with a matching hub. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, TP-Link Casa HS300. If you have several lamps and other appliances that need power, the TP-Link Casa HS300 APPX, $69, can accommodate them without forcing you to do any electrical work. It has 6 independently controlled mains outlets and 3 5-volt USB ports for small electronics. ETL certified surge protection. Monitors energy consumption, but very easy to configure. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Most Smart. The Most Smart, about $29, is specifically designed for use with lighting that's built into a ceiling fan. It works well in group mode alongside the company's other in-wall units, which include a dimmer and a retractable curtain controller. Managed via smartphone. Precise speed settings, but touch-sensitive glass face. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Sonoff TH16. If you're aiming for completely wireless control of your decor, consider the Sonoff TH16. Around $15, which doesn't have a switch plate and is meant to be installed out of sight in an electrical box. In addition to lighting, it works with a wide range of other devices. Accepts up to 14-gauge wire. Rated for 16 amps, but multiple timer settings. According to reviews, the second best product is TP-Link Casa HS200. Despite its relatively low price, The TP-Link Casa HS200 APPX $20 is a powerful device that works well with Amazon's Echo line. You can manage it remotely from anywhere in the world, thanks to the easy-to-use proprietary app. And it's not very difficult to set up, either. Out-of-town mode, programmable timer, but uses the 2.4 GHz wireless band. Now here is our best of the king product. Wemo Dimmer. The extremely versatile Wemo Dimmer, around $23, offers a wide range of control options, allowing you to set schedules, synchronize with the sun, and program using IFTTT. It also pairs well with the popular Nest and Apple HomeKit smart hubs. Compatible with voice assistants, automatically calibrates to bulbs, but also comes in a 3-pole version.